Wow, that's great. Hey, what's up? Sam here. So this is the brand new XPENG L03. This is XPENG's all-new compact electric coupe SUV. And honestly, it completely changes what we expect from cars in this segment. We're going through exterior design, aerodynamics, interior luxury, screens, HUD, seats, audio, cargo space, XOS 6.0, and that insane flagship level computing power. All in this video, let's get straight into it. Starting outside, the XPENG L03 is built with pure coupe SUV proportions. It has a low wide stance, a smooth fastback roofline, and extremely clean body lines. The wheel to height and width to height ratios are perfectly tuned, so it looks sporty, premium, and planted, not boxy like regular compact SUVs. So up front, you get XPENG's updated Starship LED headlights with hundreds of individual LED beads and smooth welcome animations. Behind the front fascia sits an active rear shutter that automatically opens and closes to balance aerodynamic efficiency and thermal management. The entire body uses hidden high-end craftsmanship, concealed door rails, hidden weather strips, frameless doors, semi-flush door handles, and frameless side mirrors. All these small details massively reduce visual clutter and give the L03 a very high-end clean look. At the back, the 4-width ultra-wide star ring taillight delivers strong visibility day and night. Aerodynamically, this car is incredible. The L03 achieves a drag coefficient of only 0.228, thanks to 22 precise aerodynamic upgrades across the whole vehicle. That alone adds nearly 60 kilometers of rear CLTC range. Buyers can choose between 18-inch low drag wheels for maximum range or 20-inch sport wheels with the yellow brake calipers for a more aggressive look. Alright, that's the outside. Now let's jump inside. Wow! The moment you open this door, you will feel this cabin is way above its class. So the entire dashboard and door panels are wrapped in matte soft touch materials. There's almost no cheap hard plastic anywhere. The full velvet headliner improves noise insulation and gives a true luxury car atmosphere. You get a precise brushed metal speaker grills, a compact supercar style steering wheel with physical shortcut buttons, and hidden electric air vents with automatic wind direction adjustment. The passenger side also features a large soft light vanity mirror, which is very nice premium detail. So overall, the interior design follows a minimal luxury philosophy: clean lines, soft materials, and high quality texture everywhere you touch and see. And in the center of the dashboard sits a 15.6-inch 2.K high definition main screen with 120Hz refresh rate and high brightness. So it's super responsive, sharp, and easy to read even under direct sunlight. But the real star tech here is the massive 26.8-inch W-HUD. This head-up display has extremely high peak brightness and contrast, so all navigation, ADAS information, speed, and blind spot footage projects crystal clear onto the windshield. You barely need to look down at the screen while driving. It improves safety and makes the whole driving experience much more futuristic. The car also features full-length dynamic ambient lighting with 256 colors and audio-video sync effects, so it just dances with the music and video. The lights automatically shift tones to match your screen content, creating a really immersive cabin vibe. So seating is a huge upgrade on the L03. It comes with 4 cabin cloud comfort seats built on a 12-layer ergonomic structure. The front seats have ventilation, heating, electric lumbar support, memory functions, and a multi-port massage. That's flagship comfort for long drives and all-season use. Rear space is surprisingly generous. Thanks to optimized cabin layout, the L03 offers class-leading knee room, shoulder room, and elbow room in the back. Legroom feels more like a middle-sized SUV than a compact SUV. The panoramic sunroof uses dual silver coating technology, blocking over 99.9% of UV rays and the most heat radiation. It keeps the cabin bright without overheating in summer. Audio quality is another highlight. The XPENG L03 carries a 20-speaker, 7.1.4 channel, 3D surround sound system with a dedicated hi-fi chip and a high peak power output. Alright, let's test some audio. The soundstage is deep, layered, and incredibly immersive. My favorite practical feature here is the independent headrest speakers. When you take phone calls, only the headrest speakers output your conversation. The car's background music continues playing without interruption. It's private, convenient, and super well thought out for daily driving. For daily usability and lifestyle scenarios, the L03 completely outperforms traditional SUVs. Just check out the spacious trunk. It has a redesigned modular trunk system built for different lifestyles, photography gear storage, outdoor sports equipment, and pet travel setups. The trunk pegboard system lets you fully customize the cargo area. You can install hooks, brackets, and accessories to build your own dedicated camping station. Photography workstation for outdoor storage setup. It turns the trunk into a fully personalized, flexible space. Actually, intelligent driving and software is where this car truly shocks the internet. The L03 runs the latest XOS 6.0 operating system. It features ultra-precise lane-level 3D scene rendering, floating mini navigation window for split screen multitasking, and optimized logic for your daily commute routes. Most importantly, this is the world's first compact SUV equipped with 2,250 TOPS of onboard computing power. That's flagship supercomputing power previously only available on high-end luxury EVs. But you know, this video is all about aesthetic filming of the appearance or those, but the driving test will be a few days later, so definitely stay tuned, right? I will share all my real driving on-road experience with you. Definitely subscribe if you are interested in the L03. Alright, that is my quick hands-on of the XPENG L03. I think it is fully balanced, upgraded, game-changing compact electric SUV. It delivers class-leading aerodynamics, premium interior materials, top-tier HUD and audio, flexible lifestyle storage, upgraded XOS software, and flagship level 2,250 TOPS ADAS performance. So if you are looking for a compact EV that offers luxury, practicality, style, and the most advanced smart driving tech in its class, the XPENG L03 is absolutely worth your full attention. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.